I hope you all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, we were on chapter number 7, right? More about Scratch. We have already completed one session. This is the second and the last session of this chapter. Students, before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality. And sit with all your essential stationery. So are you all ready? Let's begin. Okay. Do you remember what we have learned in the previous video? What was it all about? We were doing chapter 7, more about Scratch. And what we have learned so far? We have learned how to work with two sprites. Right? We have used two sprites. We have set the sprite position. You know now how to change the position of the sprite from the motion block, right? And setting the rotation style. How to change the rotation of the sprite from the rotation button in the sprite info pane. Sprite info pane, you know now, the small I written in the right corner of the sprite, that is sprite info pane. When you click on it, so many options, so many details are given about the sprite, है ना? And you can change the pen shade. We have learned using the pen down block now, and we have changed so many colors, right? Can you tell me which is the darkest color? Like you can choose colors from 0 to 100 now. So 0 is the lightest shade or the darkest shade? It is the darkest shade, okay? 0 is nearly close to black, okay? And 100 is close to white, okay? It is the lightest shade of the color, okay? So, do you know now how to do all these things with Scratch? Okay, so today we will discuss brain developer exercises. If you are not sitting with your book, bring your books and all your essential stationery. And open page number 64 in your book. Let's start. Okay. A is fill in the blank. First one, the dash block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. Which block is used to draw a trail, like to draw the line where the sprite moves? Which block you use? You use pen block, right? You use pen block to draw the line where the sprite moves. So the answer is pen block. You all have to see in your book, okay? This picture is only for me. It's not visible, so you have to see in your book, okay? And tell me the answer of the second fill in the blank. The value of x coordinate determines the dash location of the sprite, and the value of y coordinate determines the dash location or height. Where are the x and y coordinates? The stage is divided into two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, let me explain you first where is the left coordinate, x coordinate, and where is the y coordinate. Suppose this is the screen. Okay, I am drawing the screen of Scratch. Okay, this screen है. This screen is divided into two coordinates. In horizontal position is determined by x coordinate. And vertical position, this vertical position is determined by y coordinate. Okay, this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Okay, x coordinate ranges from plus 240 to minus 240. I have told you now. This till here, these are small sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like say बहुत सारे ब्लॉक्स में, बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में स्क्रीन इज डिवाइडेड. ओके, and till here at the end of the screen is 240. okay, 240 parts इस साइड में है, ठीक है, एंड 240 ही इस साइड में है, बट इस साइड क्या होगा, माइनस साइन से सिग्निफाई करेंगे. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज दिस, the point where both the axes meet is the origin. okay, here x is also 0 and y is also 0. ठीक है, x and y both the coordinates are 0 at the origin. ठीक है, here 0, then either it will -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 होते it is still -240. okay, x coordinate ranges from 240 to -240 and y coordinate ranges from 180 to -180. okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 इस साइड से यहाँ तक 180 parts में screen is divided. okay, and same here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 -10 इस साइड से इधर -180 तक it is divided. okay, -180 plus 180. y coordinate ranges from positive 180 to -180 and x coordinate ranges from 240 to -240. Now is the concept of coordinates clear to you? X and y coordinates will tell the position of the sprite on the stage. ठीक है, so in this way the screen of the stage of the sprite scratch window is divided. ठीक है, so now tell me the answer of second fill up. The value of x coordinate determines the dash location. Which location does the x coordinate determine? This is the x coordinate now, so it determines the horizontal position. okay, and which position y coordinate determines? This in this way it is vertical position, right? So y determines the vertical position and x determines the horizontal position. okay, and y determines vertical. okay, next fill up. Dash and dash blocks display the sprite on the stage or make it disappear from the stage respectively. Which block do you use to display or hide the sprite from the stage? Which block is used? We use show or hide block. okay, if we use show block, the sprite will be visible on the screen. If we use hide block, the sprite will disappear from the screen. okay, it will be hidden. okay, so which block? Show and hide. ठीक है, show and hide. See in your book. okay, next you can set a sprite position on the stage by using blocks from dash block palette. How can you set the position of the sprite on the stage? Which block will you use? You will use motion block, right? When you will select motion tab, so many blocks will appear and you can select any blocks like move 10 steps ahead, turn itna degrees, right? ये सारे blocks होते हैं ना motion block में, तो using those blocks you can set the position of the sprite. okay, so which block you will use? You will use motion block. ठीक है, motion block palette. Next fill up. 0 is the dash shade of pen and 100 is the dash shade. We have just now discussed. 0 is the darkest shade and 100 is the lightest shade. okay, and 100 is almost close to white and 0 is close to black because it's the darkest shade, right? So 0 is the darkest shade and 100 is the lightest shade. You have to do this exercise in your book. okay, next, state true or false. okay, answer the first true false. If the pen shade is 0, then the pen color will be closer to white. Is it so? If the pen shade is 0, then pen color will be close to black, not white. So this is false. Okay? This one is false. Next, the scratch page is 480 pixels wide and 160 pixels high. I have told you in the previous video that this page is 480 pixels wide and 160 pixels high. If this is this page, so in this way it is 160 pixels, okay? And in this way it is 480 pixels. Okay? So this is true. Next, cat sprite cannot be removed. Is it so? Can you remove the sprite or change the sprite? Yes, you can as many times as you want, and you can even choose as many sprites as you want. So cat sprite can be removed easily. How will you remove the cat sprite? You will click on this sprite, click info pane, right? So, and you will select delete. It will be deleted and you can select a new sprite, right? So this is false. Cat sprite can be removed. This is false. Next is the x value of page can range from 240 to minus 240 and y value can range from 180 to minus 180. I have just now discussed this, that x-axis ranges from 240 to minus 240 and y-axis ranges from 180 to minus 180. Okay, so this is true. Fourth one is true. Next, see the icon. Is this icon a linear arrow rotation style icon? We have, first of all tell me, where is this icon present? We have set the rotation style of this sprite, right? So this icon is used to change the linear position of the sprite, okay? This is linear arrow rotation style, okay? Area where the sprites are displayed, right? All the sprites that we have selected so far, they are displayed. On that a box is drawn and on the corner of that box a small I is written, right? When you click on that I, description of the sprite is shown, right? In that description, this arrow is present, this icon is present and it shows the linear arrow rotation style. So this is correct. It is true. Have you completed? Let's move to multiple choice questions. First one, name the box that displays the short description of a block when you click. Which box shows the small description of the block? You can see the description now. You can see what that block do. Which box displays it? Health block, right? Which block? Health block. So option A is correct, health. Next, the collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite is known as dash. What is the instruction given to the sprite known as? You drag the block in the steps area to create what? You create a script for the sprite, right? And according to that script, the sprite performs the action. No? So what is that stepwise instruction known as? It is known as script, right? So option number D, script is correct. You will write here script. Next, third, the value of y coordinate of the stage ranges from dash. Value of y coordinate ranges from, this is the y coordinate now, and the values ranges from 180 to minus 180. Just keep this in your mind. Y coordinate 180 to minus 180 and x coordinate 240 to minus 240. Okay? Y coordinate, the value of y coordinate ranges from 180 to minus 180. Option number B is correct. Have you completed? Okay, turn to page number 65. Page number 65. Fourth MCQ is to record our own sound in a project. We need a dash attached to our computer system. You can select a sound from the library or you can add your own sound also, right? But to add your own sound, what you will need? You will need a microphone, right? Only then your sound will be given to the computer now. So you need a microphone. Which option is correct? Option number C, microphone, okay? Option C. Next, name the block that makes the sprite disappear from the stage. Which block you can use to make the sprite disappear? You use hide block, right? And if you again want to show your sprite, then which block will you use? You will use show block, okay? So which block is used to hide the sprite? Hide block. Option number B, hide block. Have you completed? Okay. Move to answer the following questions. You have to do this on your own in your own language. Okay, we will only discuss. Write the answers in your own language. Okay? First is, how can you set the rotation style of the sprite? How can you set the rotation style? I have told you many a time. We can use rotation style button in the sprite info pane to change the rotation style of the sprite. Okay. Next, what do you call the picture on the stage in Scratch 2.0 and Scratch 1.4? The picture on the stage. Stage is where your sprite moves, है ना? So you can change the background now. You can change that picture on the stage now. So what is that picture known as in Scratch 2.0 and 1.4? We are using Scratch 2.0, है ना? So what is that picture known as? It is known as backdrop. And in Scratch 1.0, I have told you now, what is that known as? That picture is known as background. Next, what does the Scratch info pane display? Same question, question number 1. क्या होता है Scratch info pane में? Rotation style button. Okay. Next question. What do you understand by backdrop? What is backdrop? In Scratch 2.0, picture on the stage is known as backdrop. है ना? So have you understood all the questions, all the exercises? If there is any doubt, you may ask. Okay? Complete the exercises. Now your homework is, you have to read chapter number 8, programming in Scratch, and also try to do all these things in the Scratch programming. Okay? Read the chapter and try a hand on Scratch. Okay? In next video, we will start this chapter, programming in Scratch. It will be a practical session. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.